Hardy Weinberg Law, a fundamental principle in population genetics stating that the genotype frequencies and gene frequencies of a large randomly mating population remain constant provided the immigration, mutation, and selection do not take place. I have to find out how Hardy Weinberg is useful in natural populations. Why do they care about that? It's just a bunch of dumb scientists anyways. In natural populations, you can find out what kind of animals you have. Hardy Weinberg in natural populations deals with gene frequency, or the amount of alleles in a specific gene pool, or total number of species. But to have Hardy Weinberg equilibrium, you have to have 5 things. Drum roll, please. Number 1, a large population. This prevents sampling errors. 2, random mating, so there's no mating preference. 3, no mutation, so the alleles don't change. 4, no migration, so the populations in different environments don't intermingle. 5, no natural selection. The population must not favor any specific individuals. Note, the Hardy Weinberg Principle is all hypothetical and cannot exist in real life. So, I bet you're now asking, what does this have to do with anything? Guess what? We're going to look at the squirrels at Princeton University. Of the squirrels on campus, Professor Horn noted that some were black and some were gray. Yes, I know it's a horse and a possum. Get over it. So these squirrels, kind of, are both part of the same genus and species. Squirrus carolinensis, or whatever that Latin stuff is. And so basically what happened was they're the same, but they just have different amounts of melatonin in their skin pigmentation, which makes their skin different colors. It was reported in as early as 1665 that black and gray squirrels were found in wild populations in the New York and New Jersey area, and presently they range as far north as the limit of deciduous nut-bearing forests. Why the black morphs seem so much more common on the Princeton University campus is not known. So a bunch of people over the span of like 10 years or something decided to count all of these squirrels on the Princeton University campus. And so if you look at my little thing right here, it's going to show you my math that I used to figure out all of this. So of all of the squirrels on the Princeton University campus, we found out that 80% are gray in pigmentation and 20% are black. How did we do that? In this study, they found that the gene for the black morph is an autosomal dominant gene, and its allele is the recessive gray gene. And we can apply the Hardy Weinberg formula to determine gene frequencies within this population. So again, 80% gray and 20% black. Math. So using math, we found out that the squirrels on the Princeton University campus, 20% are gray. Oops. This is black. Yeah, this is black.